Hi, my name is Steve Mackay from the Engineering Institute of Technology. In the next 180 seconds, I just want to do a quick presentation on how to handle engineering conflict. In other words, conflict between a team. That's an issue that we have all the time, and let's face it, conflict is actually a good thing, in my book anyway. I mean, if you're sitting on the deck of the Titanic and you don't actually actively debate what's happening, you may find you've got some major problems coming your way. So conflict can be a good thing, but sometimes it gets out of control. One of the issues with conflict, which I always find quite amusing, is there's a psychological report from a guy called Fritz Heider. And he said, whenever you have a failure, you fail in something, or your team fails, you're always attributed to external things. You know, someone else caused the problem. Whenever you have a success, of course, it's always due to you, no one else. You're the one only responsible for your success. Now, whenever you have an engineering conflict in your team, the trick is always to deal with the problem as quickly as possible, and also to try and focus on the issue, not the person. So focus on the issue, try and deal with the issue, dissect it very carefully, and try and listen carefully to all parties to the story before you decide on a course of action, and then act quickly. But always, above all, focus on the problem, not the person. So that's a little suggestion from me, Steve Mackay, Engineering Institute of Technology. Before I close, I just want to read one quote, which I think is always so good, from a guy called Garth Brooks, and he says, "The greatest conflicts are not between two people, but between one person and himself or herself." Thanks very much.